Welcome to Cars Updater, your go-to channel for the latest updates on cars, specs, features, and everything automotive. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Jeep Avenger, a compact SUV that blends rugged capability with modern technology and efficiency. The 2025 Jeep Avenger continues to build on its reputation as a versatile and stylish urban SUV. Designed for both city driving and off-road adventures, it features a bold and muscular stance with signature Jeep styling. The 7-slot grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a modern yet aggressive look. It sits on alloy wheels available in different sizes, enhancing its road presence. New color options for 2025 add to the customization choices for buyers. Under the hood, the Jeep Avenger offers both gasoline and all-electric powertrains. The gasoline version comes with a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine producing 130 horsepower, paired with either a manual or automatic transmission for smooth performance. The electric variant features a single-motor setup generating 156 horsepower, powered by a 54 kilowatt-hour battery pack. This setup offers a range of approximately 250 miles on a single charge, making it an efficient choice for eco-conscious drivers. Fast charging capabilities allow for an 80% charge in just 30 minutes, ensuring quick turnarounds on long trips. Inside the cabin, the Avenger provides a comfortable and tech-savvy environment. The dashboard is dominated by a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital driver display enhances visibility of essential information, while ambient lighting and premium materials create a refined feel. The seats offer excellent support, with options for leather upholstery and heated functions for added comfort. Despite its compact size, the Avenger maximizes interior space with clever storage solutions and a spacious rear seating area. Safety is a priority with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera for better visibility. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert further enhance safety on the road. The Jeep Avenger also comes with an advanced traction management system, making it capable of handling different terrains with ease. With a perfect balance of style, technology, and capability, the 2025 Jeep Avenger is an excellent choice for those seeking a compact SUV with a rugged edge. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest car models. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Cars Updater for more automotive content.